Hello, everyone. My name is Azam Nizamuddin, and I'm running for Circuit Court Judge here in DuPage County. I'd like to thank the League of Women Voters for giving me this opportunity to speak with you. Let me give you a little bit of a background. I'm the son of immigrants from India who immigrated in the 1970s. They came here because they believed in the American dream, as do I. They believe that if you work hard, if you treat people with respect, and you follow the rules, you can be very successful. I grew up in the Chicago suburbs. I went to Maine East High School, where I was very active. I played varsity sports such as varsity tennis, and I participated in concert band, concert orchestra, and marching band, where I was section leader. Afterward, I went to college, went to graduate school, and law school. I've been an attorney for 22 years. I've worked for a large law firm doing business commercial litigation, a small firm doing tort litigation, and I had my own practice where I did both civil and criminal law. Currently, I'm general counsel for a corporation in Oak Brook, Illinois. I'm highly recommended by the DuPage County Bar Association. I've also received the highest rating from the Illinois State Bar Association Judiciary Advisory Poll. And I believe those are because of my legal experience and also my activities in the Bar Association, where I've served as the chair of the civil law section for the DuPage County Bar Association. I've also served as editor-in-chief of the DuPage County Bar Association journal called The Brief. I'm a former professor at Loyola University, Chicago for almost 10 years. And before that, I taught at Elmhurst College. I've given free legal services, otherwise known as pro bono services, to victims of domestic violence. Why am I running for the circuit court judge? I'm running because I'm passionate about serving all the people of DuPage County as a judge dedicated to impartiality, equal access to justice for everyone, and to ensuring that bias has no place in our legal system whatsoever. Not only do I have decades of legal experience as a litigator, but I've devoted my life as a community leader for almost 20 years, bringing people together with greater empathy, understanding, and respect between all citizens. And I want to ensure that everyone who comes before me will get a fair hearing, an empathetic ear, and a thoughtful and timely decision. You see, litigation takes way too long. Cases last for years unnecessarily, and they're too expensive. And I want to be part of the solution to remedy these problems. Now, the differences between a lawyer and a judge. As a lawyer, we're devoted to an individual, someone who needs legal advice or legal help, a person, a man or woman, or even a company. And we owe duties of care, loyalty, and confidentiality to these individuals. But as a judge, I'm not representing individuals. I work for you, the resident of DuPage County. And I will have the obligation to be fair and impartial. I'm also very passionate about the law, and this extends to me teaching continuing legal education courses to lawyers and judges in DuPage County and in Coon County, where I've taught for several years and have provided this to both the Illinois State Bar Association as well as the American Bar Association. What is my guiding philosophy if I were to make it to the bench? You see, I believe the judiciary is really one of the most important parts of our democracy. It's the third leg of our democracy. An independent judiciary is absolutely vital for a thriving democracy and to our system of justice. For an independent judiciary to really be successful, we need judges that are independent, impartial, and knowledgeable about all aspects of the law. How can the system here work for everyone? Every year, ladies and gentlemen, the judges in DuPage County hear thousands and thousands of cases and make decisions that directly impact the lives of the citizens of DuPage County. Who gets to be incarcerated, who gets released, which parent gets custody or parental decision making over the child. These are vital decisions. But since the 1830s, when the courts were formed here in DuPage County, there's only been one judge, one Democrat that's been elected as a judge since the 1830s. We can't have that kind of imbalance. We need parity and balance. And we need to elect judges that have a diverse background of legal experiences in the practice of law, and judges that have made a commitment to treat all people equally before the law. In closing, the judges you select this November will likely be on the bench for 15 to 20 years. And it's time to elect a judge who shares your core values, the values of equity, equality, and respect for the law, who represents all the people of DuPage County and not just a small few. Justice really does matter, but it has never been more clear that inequities still exist in the application of the law for many of its citizens. Therefore, it's time to elect judges based on what they know, not who they know. I'm Azam Nizamuddin, and I'm asking you for your vote on November 3rd or earlier. And I'd like to thank you all for listening and thank the League of Women Voters of Wheaton. Bye-bye.